Hello and welcome to a battle of the face masks. I like a good battle. This should be exciting. Yes, it should. Our first contender is our reigning champion, and that would be Purlisse. This is the matcha green tea and lemon clay facial mask. It weighs in at 3.4 ounces for $35. And I've been using this product a long time. I like it because it dries nicely, yet it doesn't dry down to a hard, crusty alligator type skin. And afterwards, it makes my skin feel nice, clean, and refreshed. It's not hard to scrub off. It sometimes takes a little extra rinsing, but that's okay. I'd rather rinse gently 3 times with water than scrub my skin to death. And going up against our reigning champion is a worthy opponent from Sabon. This is the Dead Sea Mud mask. It is enriched with Rose of Jericho. And I've been giving this a test run. I'm pretty pleased with it so far, so this is going to be a close battle. This one is a little bit on the pricey side. Yes, it is. This one, full size, is $49, and that would be for 4.23 ounces. The item that I have is a deluxe sample size. One of the things I really like about this item is that it is not scented. That's a plus for me because scents can bother my allergies. It goes on rather liquidy, and that was one thing that kind of surprised me. It was a bit more soupy and goopy than what I anticipated. What else did I note down about this one? It dries firm but not crusty, and it does wash off easily and leaves me with a nice refreshed skin. So, who is going to win this battle? This is a tough one. And today's winner is our reigning champion has defeated another opponent. Yes, Purlisse continues its reign as top dog in this dogfight. And I tell you, this was a close one. I think the things that led me towards keeping Purlisse at the top of this battle list is the fact that the other product was a little more liquidy, soupy, goopy than what I anticipated. And also there was the price factor, although price is not always the determining factor. But those two items put together, so we have Purlisse having defeated another product. So leave us a comment down below. Did we pick the right one? Have you tried either of these? We hope to hear your opinions, and we hope that you would consider subscribing. It would not only help us out, it would keep you informed of more adventures that Fatima the Camel and I get ourselves into. And we have good adventures. So, comment, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and we hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.